I'm Jessica and I'm the team coordinator here at the Thomasville Public Library. Today we are going to be doing our Summer of Slime. So we still have plenty of craft packets here, or if you have the stuff at home, then you can always follow along with us as well. So this is very simple. In your packet you're going to have a cup of clear glue, a cup of liquid starch, and then you are also going to have a baggie of glitter. So if you want to add the glitter, you definitely can. It makes it really pretty. All right, so first off, we're going to take a bowl and we're just going to go ahead and pour our glue in. And it's super messy, so it's going. All right. And then after that, we're going to take our glitter. You don't have to use all of it. I did give you quite a lot, so I'm just going to sprinkle in a little bit. All right, and then we're just going to stir it until it kind of coats. You can see it's really pretty. And this is actually called ocean water slime. I'll mix that a little bit. All right, and then after we are done kind of mixing it in, we're just going to pour in our corn or our liquid starch little by little. And then once you start pouring it in, you're going to notice that it's going to kind of start getting a little slimy. And I did give you a little extra starch than what you need, so you may not need the whole amount that I've provided. But sometimes you like it really sticky, sometimes you like it more like solid, so I gave you just a little bit extra. So we're going to pour in a little bit more. We kind of want it in the consistency where it's going to kind of stay in a ball. So now you kind of see it's kind of forming a little bit. I'm going to add just a little bit more because it's still a little sticky. And I'm just going to add my whole cup because I don't like mine very slimy. I'm going to stir, stir, stir. And sometimes it does take a little bit once the cornstarch is kind of, or the liquid starch is kind of already in there and making it solid. It kind of takes a while for it to get in there. But as you can see now, it's pretty good. Just gonna stir a little bit more. And then even at this point, you can even take your hands and start kind of messing with it. So like mine's super slippery, but it's really pretty though too. So you can kind of see where it's starting to form. If you want it to be like super clear, just kind of like let it sit overnight a little bit. And like I put some that I made earlier in a cup and just kind of let like the bubbles rise in it. But by following these steps with these ingredients, you've got some super easy ocean water summer slime. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this fun craft. I know I did. I know I can just get some frustrations out on it, and it's just really fun to play with. Like I said, we have plenty of craft kits still available. And next week we don't have a craft, so I'm going to leave these out for an extra week so that if you want to come by and get them at any time, you can. And I will see you next Tuesday for a Beastly Books presentation where we will be talking about all things books and magical creatures and monsters. So I'll see y'all next week. Bye!